Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Checkpoint Loans Review My Usage Experience. Checkpoint Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for comparing different loan providers. Its main purpose is to help users find the best loan options based on their individual needs and financial circumstances. The target audience is individuals seeking personal loans, consolidating debt, or exploring various financing options. Key features likely include loan comparison tools, filtering options, and potentially access to lender information. Their website provides details on how their loan comparison engine works. It highlights ease of use through a simple, step-by-step process. They emphasize pricing transparency and the ability to compare interest rates, fees, and loan terms from various lenders, effectively saving users time and money. Availability is nationwide, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Checkpoint Loans Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply entered my desired loan amount and repayment terms. The interface was very intuitive. I could easily filter results based on interest rates, loan types, and repayment periods. The results were displayed clearly, showing key information from each lender. I particularly appreciated the detailed explanations of each lender's terms and conditions, which helped me make a well-informed decision. The speed was impressive. I received a comprehensive list of options within seconds. I didn't have any need for customer support this time, but the website clearly displayed contact information if I needed it. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to use my laptop to access the service. However, the website was responsive and worked seamlessly across devices. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Checkpoint Loans Review My Usage Experience. It saved me countless hours of research, and I feel much more confident in my choice of lender. That's my overview of Checkpoint Loans Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.